New future technology. Welcome, everyone, to a glimpse of the exciting advancements in various fields. In this overview, we will explore 10 innovative concepts and ideas that are shaping the future. From marine technology to transportation and beyond, these developments are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. So, let's dive in. Servo Yachts and Shuttleworth Design Collaboration. Servo Yachts in California has partnered with UK-based Shuttleworth Design to revolutionize catamaran designs. They have developed a unique marine stabilization system that addresses the main cause of seasickness, pitching or vertical acceleration. Unlike traditional stabilization systems that focus on roll, this new system effectively eliminates pitch, roll, and heave. The Martini 6.0, a 45-meter catamaran concept, incorporates an electro-pneumatic suspension system, resulting in a more efficient and faster vessel even in challenging conditions. Hill Helicopters HX50 demand. UK startup Hill Helicopters has experienced overwhelming demand for its HX50 light single helicopter. They plan to build 260 helicopters in the first year of production. The HX50 is a turbine-powered 1.65-ton helicopter targeting the high-end market, with orders for 370 aircraft already received. Hill Helicopters is ramping up production to meet the increasing demand. Aquatic utility vehicle, Shadow 6 Typhoon. Shadow 6 has introduced the world's first aquatic utility vehicle, combining a UTV cabin with 2 functioning jet skis. The Shadow 6 Typhoon boasts a unique design featuring a UTV cabin mounted on jet skis. The body panels are obtained from a Polaris RZR, and the jet ski hulls are made from carbon composite, equipped with long-travel Fox shocks for enhanced performance. This unconventional watercraft stands out for its exceptional bodywork and unmatched versatility. Spaceship Neptune. Luxury space balloon. Spaceship Neptune, a luxury space balloon, has unveiled its newly designed capsule. The spherical exterior of the balloon allows for a larger, structurally sound interior, while a splash cone helps soften ocean landings. The new capsule design provides more headroom, maximizing the passenger experience and safety. Spaceship Neptune aims to carry 8 guests and features a stylish and spacious interior for an unforgettable journey to the edge of space. Alpine A4810. Hydrogen-powered concept. The Alpine A4810 concept, powered by hydrogen, showcases a futuristic design inspired by Formula One aesthetics. Students from Turin's IED Design School worked on this project, resulting in a 2-seater berlinette with aerodynamics heavily influenced by motorsports. The use of hydrogen as a fuel source reflects the ongoing exploration of alternative power technologies in the automotive industry. Panther KF-51, next-generation battle tank. The Panther KF-51 is a main battle tank currently under development by Rheinmetall Land System. With a new turret armed with an auto-loaded 130mm main gun, the KF-51 departs from the previous generation of Western MBTs. It prioritizes active protection, reduced weight, and the integration of unmanned platforms. Rheinmetall aims to have the KF-51 production ready by 2026. Flying Superyacht, Airyacht V2. The Flying Superyacht by Lazzarini, known as the Airyacht V2, offers a luxurious and futuristic concept. Blending elements of a blimp and a floating vessel, this hybrid airship promises a unique travel experience. The updated version features a sleeker central hull design, making it bigger, faster, and bolder. While still a hypothetical concept, the Airyacht V2 showcases the potential for extravagant airborne travel. Electra One Solar, solar-powered electric aircraft. Electra Solar GmbH has developed the Electra One Solar, an innovative solar-powered electric aircraft. With its sleek design and advanced technology, this aircraft showcases the potential of sustainable aviation. The Electra One Solar is equipped with solar panels on its wings, which generate electricity to power the aircraft's electric motor. It can fly for extended periods using only solar energy, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective solution for short-distance flights. Hyperloop, high-speed transportation system. The Hyperloop is a high-speed transportation concept that aims to revolutionize long-distance travel. This futuristic system involves using low-pressure tubes to transport pods or capsules at incredible speeds, reaching up to 760 miles per hour. By eliminating air resistance and friction, the Hyperloop could provide rapid and efficient transportation, reducing travel times significantly. Several companies and research teams are working on developing and implementing this technology with the goal of creating a new era of transportation. Virtual reality and augmented reality advancements. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies continue to advance, offering immersive experiences in various fields, from gaming and entertainment to education, training, and simulations. VR and AR are transforming how we interact with digital content. With improved hardware, software, and user interfaces, these technologies are becoming more accessible and capable of creating realistic and engaging virtual worlds. As the development of VR and AR progresses, we can expect to see their integration into our daily lives in innovative and meaningful ways. These 10 future technology concepts provide a glimpse into the exciting advancements happening across various industries, from cutting-edge transportation solutions to sustainable energy sources and immersive digital experiences. The future holds great potential for technological progress. As these innovations continue to evolve, they have the power to shape the way we live, work, and explore our world.